Hi, and welcome to St. Mary's School, Swormville. My name is Abby Budzinski-Lake, and I am a second grade teacher here. Second graders are awesome because they are ready to absorb and learn everything that you put in front of them. We're lucky here at St. Mary's because we have both a reading and a math program that is set up to differentiate for all the students' needs. We also can teach our faith here at St. Mary's. And the best part is we don't just teach our faith, we also live it. And that is evident throughout the school. We have a phenomenal staff and faculty that works countless hours to make sure that our kids succeed. I have watched thousands of success stories go down our halls. I am very proud of the programs that we have set up so that we can cooperate and communicate with the parents at home. It's all needed to be successful. Every person that comes in here becomes part of our quilt. At St. Mary's, we have a beautiful quilt, and I can't wait to share it with you. Come see us on January 31st at 10 o'clock at our virtual open house. And then come back later. You can speak to all of us individually between 12:15 and 2. Thank you very much. Go Bills.